All of you, good morning. This video we are going to discuss plus 2 chemistry lesson number 13, organic nitrogen compounds, nomenclature of cyanides and isocyanides. That means naming of cyanides and isocyanides, preparation and properties and uses of cyanides and isocyanides.
Cyanides and isocyanides, these are derivatives of hydrogen cyanide. Molecular formula of hydrogen cyanide is HCN. This is exist in two tautomeric form, HC triple bond. This is hydrogen cyanide. Another tautomeric form is here HN triple bond C. This is isocyanide. This in isocyanide, hydrogen is replaced by R group, we get RNC. This is isocyanide. In hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen is replaced by R get, we get RCN. This is cyanide. This is isocyanide. Next one is a nomenclature of cyanides. Next one, CH3, CH2CN. Common name is propianonitrile. Propianonitrile. Next one, CH3, CH2, CH2CN. Common name of this compound is butronitrile. Butronitrile. Next one, CH3, CH3. This is iso group, isobutronitrile. Isobutronitrile. This is common name. C6H5CN. Common name of this compound is benzonitrile. Benzonitrile. Next one is IUPAC name. 3 carbon is present. So propane nitrile. Propane nitrile. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon is present. So butane nitrile. Butane nitrile. Next one, in second carbon, 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon is present. In second carbon, 1 methyl group is present. So 2 methyl propane nitrile. Next one, benzene carbonitrile. Last one, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon is present. Third carbon cyanide group is present. So 3 cyanobutanoic acid. Cyanides and isocyanides, these are derivatives of hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen cyanide exists in two form, HCN. This is hydrogen cyanide. Another tautomeric form is a hydrogen isocyanide. In hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, we get cyanides. And hydrogen isocyanide, hydrogen group is replaced by R group, we get isocyanides. Next one is a preparation of cyanide. First method, from alkyl halide. RX is a general formula for alkyl halide. React with sodium cyanide or potassium cyanide KCN to form a alkyl cyanide. RCN is a general formula for alkyl cyanide. Example, CH3, CH2Br. This is ethyl bromide. React with potassium cyanide. KCN is a potassium cyanide to form a CH3, CH2CN. So name of this compound is propane nitrile. Propane nitrile. Preparation of cyanide, second method, from amide and aldoxime. Example for amide is a CH3 CONH2 acetamide. Acetamide react with phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. Phosphorus pentoxide act as a dehydrating agent. So water molecule is eliminated from amide. So we get CH3CN. Name of this compound is ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile. Aldoxine, CH3 CH double bond NOH is aldoxime, acetaldehyde oxime is treated with phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. So water molecule is eliminated from reactant, we get CH3CN. Name of this compound is ethane nitrile. One of the example for aldoxime is a acetaldehyde oxime, CH3, CH double bond NOH is acetaldehyde oxime react with phosphorus pentoxide to form a ethane nitrile. Next one, third method, dehydration of ammonium carboxylate. One example, ammonium acetate react with phosphorus pentoxide to form a ethane nitrile, CH3 COO NH4. Name of this compound is ammonium acetate react with dehydrating agent P2O5 on heating to form a CH3CN. Name of this compound is ethane nitrile. This is ammonium acetate. Preparation of cyanide, last method from Grignard-Carney. When methyl magnesium bromide CH3 MgBr is methyl magnesium bromide react with ClCN to form a alkyl cyanide CH3CN. Name of this compound is ethane nitrile. CH3CH2Br, ethyl bromide react with potassium cyanide to form a propane nitrile. Second method from amide and aldoxime. Acetamide CH3CONH2 is a acetamide react with phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide act as a dehydrating agent. So water molecule is eliminated from reactant. We get ethane nitrile. Aldoxime is acetaldehyde oxime CH3 CH double bond NOH is acetaldehyde oxime react with phosphorus pentoxide. Phosphorus pentoxide act as a dehydrating agent. So water molecule is eliminated from reactant. We get ethane nitrile CH3CN. Third method, dehydration of ammonium carboxylate. When ammonium acetate is heated with phosphorus pentoxide to form a ethane nitrile. Last method from Grignard-Carney. This is methyl magnesium bromide react with ClCN to form a ethane nitrile. Next one is a chemical properties of alkyl cyanide. First one, hydrolysis. When alkyl cyanide react with base or dilute mineral acid, cyanides are converted into carboxylic acid. First step is a formation of amide. Example, CH3CN. This is methyl cyanide undergo hydrolysis in the presence of hydrogen peroxide H2O2 bar OH. First step is a formation of acetamide. CH3CONH2 is acetamide. This one undergo hydrolysis with water to form a acetic acid. CH3COOH is acetic acid. First step is a formation of amide. Last final step is a formation of carboxylic acid. Hydrolysis to form a acetic acid. This is acetamide. Second reaction, reduction reaction. On reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or nickel bar hydrogen to form a primary amines. Example, CH3CN. This is methyl cyanide reduced with lithium aluminum hydride to form a CH3 CH2NH2. This is primary amine. Name of this compound is ethyl amine. Next one is a Thorpe nitrile condensation. Self condensation of two molecules of alkyl nitrile containing alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of sodium in ether to form a iminonitrile. This reaction is called as a Thorpe nitrile condensation. Example, CH3CH2CN. 2 moles of CH3CH2CN react with sodium in the presence of ether to form a iminonitrile. CH3 CH2 C double bond NH CH CN CH3. Common name of this compound is iminonitrile. Last one, Levine and Hazer reaction. The nitrile containing alpha hydrogen also undergo condensation with ester in the presence of sodamide in ether to form a ketonitrile. This reaction is known as a Levine and Asser reaction. Example, CH3CN. CH3CN methyl cyanide react with one ester CH3 CH2 COO CH2 CH3 in the presence of sodamide NaNH2 and ammonia to form a ketonityl. This reaction is called as a Levine and Asser reaction. Product is a CH3 CH2 CO CH2 CN. Name of this compound is 3-keto-pentane-nitrile. 3-keto-pentane-nitrile. This is hydrogen isocyanide HN triple bond C. This is hydrogen isocyanide. In hydrogen isocyanide, hydrogen is replaced by R group. We get RNC. This is alkyl isocyanates. Next one is a nomenclature of isocyanide. First one is a common name. Common name is ended with alkyl group with isocyanide. CH3 is a methyl group. NC is a isocyanide. So methyl isocyanide. METHY methyl isocyanides. CH3 CH2 is a ethyl group. So ethyl isocyanides. Last third one, CH3 CH2 CH2 is a propyl group. So propyl isocyanide. Isocyanides. அடுத்து C6H5NC phenyl isocyanide. Phenyl isocyanide. Next one is a IUPAC naming. IUPAC name of isocyanide is written as a alkyl carbylamines. Alkyl carbylamines. In CH3NC, CH3 is a methyl group. So methyl carbylamine. Methyl METHY methyl carbylamine. Carbylamine. Next one, CH3 CH2NC. CH3 CH2 is a ethyl. So ethyl carbylamine. Next one, CH3 CH2 CH2 is a propyl. So propyl carbylamine. Propyl carbylamine. C6H5 is a phenyl group. So phenyl carbylamine. Phenyl carbylamine. Next one is a preparation of alkyl isocyanide. First method, carbylamine reaction. This is very important naming reaction. Repeated question. When primary amine, example CH3NH2 react with chloroform and sodium hydroxide. CHCl3 is a chloroform and potassium hydroxide to form a alkyl cyanide. CH3NC. This is methyl isocyanide. Next one example, C6H5NH2. Name of this compound is aniline. React with chloroform CHCl3 bar potassium hydroxide to form a phenyl isocyanide. C6H5NC is a phenyl isocyanide. CH3NC is a methyl isocyanide. Second one is from alkyl halide. When ethyl bromide CH3 CH2 Br is ethyl bromide react with silver cyanide AgCN in the presence of ethanolic solution C2H5OH to form a ethyl isocyanide. CH3 CH2 NC is a ethyl isocyanide. Second method from alkyl halide. One of the example for alkyl halide is a ethyl bromide react with silver cyanide in alcoholic solution to form a ethyl isocyanide. Last method from N-alkyl formamide with POCl3 CH3 NH COH react with phosphorus oxychloride in pyridine to form a methyl isocyanide CH3NC. Methyl isocyanide. Next one is a chemical properties of isocyanide. Isocyanates does not undergo base hydrolysis, undergo only acid hydrolysis. When hydrolysis is carried out in mineral acid to form a primary amine CH3. Example CH3 NC. This is methyl isocyanide. Undergo hydrolysis with water in the presence of acid to form a primary amine CH3NH2. This is methyl amine. Second one is a reduction reaction when reduced with a reducing agent to form a secondary amine. Example CH3NC is a methyl isocyanide is reduced with reducing agent to form a secondary amine CH3NH3. Name of this compound is N, N dimethyl amine. N, N dimethyl Third one is a isomerization reaction when alkyl isocyanide, example CH3NC, is heated at 250 degrees Celsius to form a CH3CN. This is alkyl isocyanide is converted into alkyl cyanide.
Next one is a uses of cyanides and isocyanides. Alkyl cyanides are important intermediate in organic synthesis of large number of compounds like acid, amides, esters and amines. Nitriles are used in textile industry in the manufacture of nitrile rubber and also solvent, particularly in the perfume industry. Alkyl cyanides used as intermediate. Nitriles are used in manufacture of nitrile rubber and used as a solvent. Nitriles act as a solvent in perfume industry. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.